close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't. Chase are leading us.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get some very pretty makeup look, especially for those summer days when we want to add a little bit of like color to our eyes. And yeah, so I'm gonna start off by moisturizing my face like I normally do. You guys know this is a very important step that you guys need to do because it creates a very smooth face for the foundation. Okay, so now after I'm done with my moisturizer, I'm going to go ahead and move along to my foundation. The one I'm using here is a very soft and very neutral coverage, so that's why I really like it. This one is the Maybelline Pure Makeup, I think that's the name of it. And I'm not a big fan of it like to wear every day because it has a very soft and like light coverage, but I still like it for those summer days. This is my go-to for those days when I want to add just a tiny bit of coverage, but I also want to look pretty. So I'm just taking it with a brush because it creates a lot more coverage than if I was to use it with a wet sponge. So yeah, now I'm moving along to conceal some spots. I have just like this very noticeable pimple on my nose, which that never happens, but in this case it happens. So I'm just pretty much taking the concealer everywhere where I have to conceal some spots and just blending it with my brush. Okay, so now to set the whole entire face, I'm taking the Rimmel Stay Matte, and this powder is very cool. I really like it. It's one of my favorites. It creates a very smooth face, and that's what I really, really love. Okay, so now moving on to the front part, I'm gonna do my eyebrows like I normally do. Just pretty much fill them in, make them super sharp and pretty and all that.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so I'm taking this crease shade, and this one is kind of like a mustardy shade, and I'm going to apply that right in the crease area and blend it super well throughout my whole entire eyelid, making sure to blend because that is the key here.
No rest.
I'm taking this shade right here. This one is by Bare Minerals, and the shade I'm using is Summer. And I'm just taking that in the eyelid and pretty much applying it. It's very soft, it's very pretty, and yeah. Okay, so now taking any purple eyeliner you guys have, just create a very pretty winged or cat eye effect, and this makes a huge difference on the look. It's very pretty for those summer days when you want to add a little bit of a pop of color, and this shade is so pretty. I really like it, and I really like how the look came out. So just apply any lip liner that you guys, no, not lip liner, an eyeliner that you guys own, and that has a little bit of color. It can be blue, maybe purple, green, and yeah. So I'm taking this one and just pretty much applying it.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Okay, so after that, this is pretty much the final results. I did my mascara, and yeah, guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and can be creative. Make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content. Bye bye, take care.